Uh, Good afternoon, student. Today do the practicals about the flow measurement device in a rotameter. Here, so that rotameter is a rotameter device is inlet is a metal balls is flowing with in fluid. Okay, the fluid is using the just like a water. First of all, we are starting the switch of the pump. So here, the on the switch of pump, we start the open the valve and adjust the value of flow rate. All the valve, all the flow meter, after all flow meter will be closed and only the rotameter valve will be open. And if you are open the rotameter valve, okay, so here outlet half of here. So here currently so that the rotameter reading value is the top of the water is the 1200 per LPM, 1200 LPM. That is means that 1200 liter per hour flow rate would be blown on by the outlet water. So first of all, directly given the reading, we check out by the here of the tank. The second tank in the so that the first of all we denoted the value of the zero, and then if we compare the zero value, then outlet valve here, that is close the valve, and then taken time of the 5 liter we completed must require the tank we noted 10 liter time taken time will require the 15 liter 20. We can check the different way take the readings. Okay, so we have to calculate the verify the theoretical the direct value of the rotameter value flow rate, and we can also check by the also check by the practical values. Here the 5 liters. Here 5 liters taken the time of how much taken up, then our time 1 hour में how much liter will be fill up the tank. Okay, that's all the completed is a rotameters. Okay,
start कर दो.
here zero the taken time stamp writer now. Here the zero value where you update stopwatch 5 liter taken time, then here the 10 liters we can also taken time. Okay, that is reading the measurement cake how much taken time for the 5 liter. If you are the 5 seconds we completed the 5 liter taken time, so we can calculate the 1 hour in the how many liter will be fill up. So also we find out the flow rate by using the this method and this one. We verify that these and this value both are the completed. Okay.